Today I have an unboxing from Sassy Wax Melts, and let me tell you how this came about. She had some really cute shapes, Halloween shapes, on her website, and every one of them smelled like bakery goods. And so I reached out to her and I said, are everything that you have for Halloween gonna be bakery scents? Because I like the shapes, but not the, I'm not into those scents. So she said, hey, let me whip something up and see what happens. So let's see what we have here. So these should be Halloween shapes, non-bakery scented. I hope they are. I hope I was clear with her what I wanted. Yes, all right. So as usual, she sends tons of samples. These are cute. And these are scented in Snow Fairy Dupe, 1000 Wishes Dupe, Pink Chiffon. No bakery there. Adorable. Beach Vibes, Bermuda Triangle, Vanilla Bean Noel. And she even on the sample, she puts the date, which is great. Perfect Peach. And because I know that these are just samples, because she made stuff for me fresh because I wanted the non-bakery scent. So these have to be the samples that she had from months ago that she is giving away now. Earth and Ninja, Bamboo, Fresh Oranges, Patchouli. Oops. Cute. Got a lot of samples in here, girl. This is Fall Fruit Attack, Cranberry, Pomegranate, Grape, Vermont, Honey Apple, Pears, and Peaches. This one was more freshly poured. Sweetgrass and Dandelion. Gosh, there's a lot of samples in here. Pine Tree. These are cute shapes. Man Cave, Marshmallow, Fireside, Barnwood, Champa, Oak Moss. Alright, so I think these are the shapes. Halloween shapes. So let's see what the scent is on this. Yes. Sapphire Nights, Tonka Bean Harvest Festival. And this, as you can see, is a much more freshly poured date. I like the stripage on there, which is what I was concentrating on there. Another Halloween shape. Little vampire there. And Barbershop 1920s. More vanilla sugar, crackling birch. Yes. Okay. Oh yes, I like this shape. This comes from far away, so it comes from, what is this, Seattle? I don't even remember where it comes from, but it comes from Quincy, Washington. And so by the time it gets here, some of this stuff, because of the heat, has kind of smushed off. So that's why the truck looks a little smushy. But I expect that. Look at the shimmer in here. And this is Fall Fever, which is Fall Leaves, Barnwood, and Wood Smoke. I think there's one more in here. And I usually don't like things. Oh, this is so cute. Things this size because I don't like chopping. Also, I usually like smaller shapes. Like I would have been happy to just get this shape here without the bottom. But I knew that this is the size she was making, and I just thought they were really cute, so I didn't care. This one's Let's Get Cozy, Cozy Flannel, Oak Moss, Vermont Honey Apples. So I might see if I can like take off the top pieces to do my melt instead of chopping it. So we had this little witch boots. We have the little autumn truck. We have the skull here. Like a little vampire. stuff here. And then all of these samples, which freaking awesome that she's always sending. I use these for my little tiny warmers, like the plug-in warmers that I have. Super cute pine tree. So that's everything in my Sassy Wax Melts. And don't be afraid to ask people for what you want. So when I told her that I didn't necessarily like, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. When I told her I didn't necessarily like bakery goods, she just said to me, oh, I get stuck in my comfort zone. So just tell me what you like and I'll whip something up for you. So new scents for you guys. For those of you who don't like bakery scents, which, I mean, I'm sure I'm not alone. Check out Sassy Wax Melts, and I will be showing, of course, the demo of the melts as I do them. I will talk to you guys on the next one.